Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase with credit card. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Coinbase wallet, and once you are on the home page, you are going to see this get started button. So simply need to tap on get started and then you will be landed on the next page where you will be able to see USDC, Ethereum and Matic. So over here you just have to choose any of these. For this video I'm going to select it as Ethereum as I want to buy Ethereum. Then you will be landed on this buy page where you just have to enter the amount in your own currency in this top section. After entering the amount, it will show you that you are going to purchase Ethereum, and in the pay with section, you will have to select your credit card. Now over here, if you tap on pay with, it will show you all of the providers and bunch of different options of payment that you can choose. So among the given options you will have to select the credit card option. Now for any reason if you are not able to see credit card option over here, then you will have to select the default method, as in my case it has selected the on ramp money. Then you need to press continue to payment in the bottom. Once done, it will show you that you are being redirected on the on-ramp money. It can be different in your country because the providers are different. So basically you need to go to the provider's website and then you need to create your account. Afterwards, you need to just link your credit card for the payment and then you just have to conclude your payment. This way you will be able to buy your crypto on Coinbase with credit card. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.